Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Phrygian mode. Alright, so you're going to start right here. You're going to go 7, 8, 10, and then you're going to go 7, 9, 10. Same thing. And then you're going to go 7, 9, 11. Take that exact shape and scoot it down a fret for the B string. Alright, that's the whole thing, and you, of course, we got the extra credit. Same exact thing you just did on the E string. So, again. Alright, so I'll try to play a chord progression so you can hear what it would actually sound like. Something with a half step like that for the root note. Definitely gives you a more serious Egyptian kind of feel. It's not quite Egyptian. In my opinion, if you were to make it Egyptian, it would sound more like... Just remember, of course, practice, practice, practice with the alternate picking. And, yes, good luck, sir. Good luck.